The secret to the best garlic bread ever is using 4 full heads of garlic. You have to trust me, and I mean, just listen to this crunch.
私はあなたと心中するために今日まで生きてきたのです。きっとそうです。だぞ。Initially call my friends what one what? From you from? She from Italia.
And roast this at 400 degrees for an hour. Then we got stick of softened butter, tablespoon of basil, some salt, quarter teaspoon of crushed red pepper. Squeeze out all of that roasted garlic over your butter. And we're going to stir this up until it's nice and smooth. Have a baguette and brush with that butter very liberally. And we're going to throw this back into the oven for 15 minutes.
So when you're gonna turn around, you're waiting back to where she thinks it's special. But it's all yours, that was our place. I found it first. I made the jokes you tell her when she's with you. Do you get deja vu when she's with you?
We have peeled up all of this pan of garlic this morning and our fingers are sore. We're excited to eat it though. Just going to cover it in olive oil or grapeseed oil, whatever kind of oil that you enjoy, and then sprinkle some salt across the top, cover it, and I'm going to be roasting mine at about 300 to 325 degrees. And here they are, absolute caramel perfection.
Soup.
Yeah, we're making garlic again. I can already hear the haters saying, ew, she's just doing this to go viral. She's milking it. I ate this before it was a trend, so stop being mean to me. Stop. I just like to eat it. Don't watch. Scroll right now. Scroll right this second. Don't watch. Scroll. Scroll. Nom 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 nom. I missed it so much. I missed it so much. I missed it so much.